guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell beside it to get notified if you have a new recent video. And so for today's video, our video is all about the Suave challenge on TikTok. I will be doing a step-by-step tutorial, okay? Let's go! So yun guys, ang first step is isakto sabit yan. Pak. One, two, three, go. And then next, 1, 2, 3, and hoop. Okay. From the start, 1, 2, 3, go. Then the next step is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from the start, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next step is starting from here. One draw, big lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and draw it back. Step is, after the draw it back, 1, 2, draw it back, 1, 2, and put your hands there and clip. There. Okay. Starting from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Throw it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next step is, after the step, go into pack lang. 1, 2, then 1, 2, go. Then there, 1 and 1, 2. Okay, start from the gate. Start from the beginning. Go. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. After, throw it back. 10, 10, 10, 10. Then, next one is 10. 1, 2, close, close. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Then, the next step after that is kembot, kembot, tiglang, go, turn, lang, pak, pak, pak. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. sorry. 1, 2, 3, go. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. About 10, 10, 10. Then 10, 10, 10, 10. Then the next step is wait for the music, then 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Biglang 1, 2, 3. 10, 10, 10, 10. Then after that, sorry. So talaga, nagpapawisan ako. After nun. Okay. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10. Then, 1, 2, 10. Okay, do it. 1, 2, 3, go. 10, 10. 10. Throw it back. Then 10, 10. And 10. Then 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. 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 Tan, 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 I'm gonna tan, 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 tan. Woo!
Me and my man, we stack it up to the ceiling.
What's my name? J-Lo.
I'm about to fill your cup, we can get ready for the night's up. We can get right tonight. I send shots like an Uzi. I could be your medicine, yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. So tiring. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please follow me on TikTok, and I will surely support you, and let's support each other. Thank you.